Imagine waking up every day with money flowing into your account while you're still in bed. Sounds unreal? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into the top ways to build passive income streams, allowing you to earn while you sleep. These strategies could change your life and set you on the path to financial freedom. So stick around because you won't want to miss what's coming up. First up, we have dividend stocks, the bread and butter of many wealthy investors. Think of it this way: you buy a small piece of a well-established company, and in return, they pay you regularly from their profits. It's like getting a paycheck just for holding their stock. But here's where the magic happens. When you reinvest those dividends instead of spending them, you start to benefit from compounding. Reinvesting allows you to buy more shares, which in turn leads to higher dividend payouts. Over time, this creates a snowball effect. Your wealth grows exponentially. Now, you may have heard of something called dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have not only paid dividends consistently but have increased their payouts every year for decades. Imagine getting a raise year after year without doing any additional work. When choosing dividend stocks, it's crucial to focus on companies with a strong history of sustainable payouts. Look for those with solid financials that have weathered economic downturns. The goal is long-term security, not just a quick buck. And the best part? You can start small. Buy a few shares today, reinvest those dividends, and watch your wealth build over time. Next up is real estate, often called the king of passive income. Real estate offers not one but two distinct ways to build wealth: cash flow from rental income and appreciation in property value over time. Let's break it down. With rental properties, your tenants essentially pay your mortgage while you slowly build equity in the property. Over time, as your mortgage gets paid off, you start to see profits. But there's more. Property values tend to rise over the years, meaning you could sell for a much higher price than what you paid. Managing tenants might sound like a headache, but here's where automation comes in. Tools like automated rent collection, tenant communication apps, and even full-service property management companies can handle the day-to-day for you, making real estate truly passive. But what if you don't have enough cash to buy property outright? That's where real estate crowdfunding platforms come in. With just a few $100s, you can buy fractional ownership in high-quality commercial properties or rental complexes. You get all the benefits of real estate without the upfront cost or hassle of property management. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful passive income streams: digital products. Imagine creating something once, like an online course, an ebook, or even downloadable design templates, and being able to sell it forever without any additional effort. So how does this work? First, you create a product that solves a problem or teaches a skill, maybe a course on photography, cooking, or coding. Once uploaded to platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even your own website, that product can be sold an infinite number of times, no matter where you are or what you're doing. And here's where the magic happens. Because digital products are scalable, you can reach a global audience with zero extra effort. Whether one person buys your product or 1,000 people do, you don't have to put in additional work. That's the beauty of passive income through digital products. Your time investment up front can yield returns for months or even years to come. And it doesn't end with just one product. As you establish yourself and build a reputation for high-quality content, you can create multiple digital products to target different audiences or offer more advanced material. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to automate the entire process. From handling payments to delivering your product and even promoting your content, these platforms allow you to focus solely on creating valuable material. Once it's out there, it works for you 24/7. So whether you're an expert in a specific field or just have a passion you can teach, digital products are a smart way to turn your knowledge into a long-term income stream that requires very little maintenance. The fourth, affiliate marketing. Monetize your online presence. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to generate passive income. If you already have an online presence, whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account, you can monetize that platform by recommending products you love. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Here's how it works. Let's say you run a tech blog and you review the latest smartphones, laptops, or gadgets. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, which give you custom links to the products you feature. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. The great part? You don't even have to deal with customer service, returns, or shipping. The company handles all of that. Your job is simply to recommend the product and let the system do the rest. Affiliate marketing can be applied to almost any niche, from tech and fashion to fitness and finance. The key is to offer honest, helpful recommendations that resonate with your audience. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to embed affiliate links. Over time, your affiliate income can grow to become a substantial part of your overall earnings. The fifth, automated online businesses. The entrepreneur's dream. Imagine having an online business that practically runs itself. With models like dropshipping or print on demand, you can set up an online store that handles everything, from orders and shipping to customer service, while you focus on scaling your brand. In dropshipping, you don't even need to keep inventory. When someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the difference between the sale price and the wholesale price. The best part? Automation tools can manage everything, from marketing to order fulfillment, so your store operates 24/7. If dropshipping isn't your thing, print on demand offers a similar model. You design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and once a customer orders, the printing company produces and ships the item. You never have to touch the product, making it another hands-off way to earn income. These business models allow you to focus on marketing, growing your customer base, and optimizing the shopping experience, while the back end runs smoothly in the background. Automation tools like Shopify, Oberlo, and Printful handle everything from inventory management to customer service, making these online businesses truly passive once they're up and running. If you're looking for a scalable, low-risk way to start your own business, automated online businesses are the way to go. They allow you to build a brand while enjoying the freedom of a flexible, hands-off income stream. The entrepreneur's dream. The sixth, peer-to-peer lending. Let your money work for. Let's dive into another often overlooked passive income strategy, peer-to-peer lending. In this model, you act as the bank, lending money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to let your money work for you while helping others achieve their financial goals. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect lenders, like you, with borrowers who need loans. You can choose how much you want to lend, and in return, you'll receive regular payments with interest. Over time, these small payments can add up to significant passive income, especially if you diversify by lending to multiple borrowers. The great thing about peer-to-peer lending is that you can start small and scale up as you see returns. Diversification is key here. By spreading your loans across different borrowers, you can minimize risk while maximizing returns. It's a way to make your money work for you without taking on the volatility of the stock market. Of course, there's always some risk involved, as with any investment. But with the right strategy, like choosing borrowers with strong credit scores and shorter repayment terms, you can significantly reduce that risk while enjoying reliable income. Peer-to-peer lending is an excellent way to diversify your passive income streams. It's low maintenance, scalable, and puts you in control of your money. So if you're ready to let your cash generate cash, this might be the perfect passive income strategy for you. Whether it's investing in dividend stocks, real estate, creating digital products, or building an automated online business, passive income is all about creating streams that keep flowing while you live your life. The key is starting now. The sooner you take action, the sooner you can unlock your financial freedom.